Hey everyone, happy Friday to you all. I'm Doug with Wichita Homeworks, and we're just here to walk you through one of our projects. We are getting very close to ending this one for the customer, and so let me just show you about what we got left and show you the progress that's been made here. So let me get you turned around here as we walk into the backyard. All right, so we've added a little outdoor area for them. New concrete pad was poured first. And then you can see over here, this addition was added, and it's going to be a shop. Customer here likes to do a lot of woodworking, so we've added this onto the back side of their home so he can work near the patio. So let me get you inside here and show you what we've done. So this was their existing back door here, and now they'll have access straight from there. So we went with high ceilings for lots of storage, a couple windows for that light. They'll be getting electrical added, and then they're just going to kind of finish it up on their own and use it as they see fit. So got the crew finishing up the siding today. It's about done here. I went with a 12-inch lap on this. It's an LP product. So it ties in and matches the old existing siding. Even though weather's turning and getting a little cooler, it's never too late still to think about your exterior projects. We continue working through most of winter and can still make those happen. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach us on Facebook or give us a call at 316-303-4485. Hope you all have a great Friday and a safe weekend out there, and we'll talk to you soon.